Write all prime numbers less.
Ma'am, your voice is coming very low.
Okay. I have just used another. Yeah. Now see, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Write all prime numbers less than 15.
Ma'am, you have to give answer in chat box.
No, you have to write it in your copy itself, because see, you have to submit your classwork. So please write in your copy, and then I will ask some of the students to answer.
Ma'am, I can't send the class work, but I can send the homework.
Why can't classwork?
Ma'am, because I don't have any notebook and here no market is open. I have to go to far away from my house.
So please tell your mother to tell me that I do not have any notebook.
Ma'am, we can't buy it because it is very far from our house. In
Okay.
our near house, the all shops are closed due to.
Okay. So no worries, Hirday. Just ask your mother to write me this thing, that we cannot buy notebooks because all markets are closed.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, please tell your mother that she will write this thing to me. That's why Hirday will not do classwork.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so example number 4, you have to write all prime numbers less than 15. So all of you have finished?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, Manan, can you tell what are the prime numbers less than 15?
Ma'am, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and 15.
Less than 15. So do, and 15 is not a prime number, Manan.
Oh, yeah.
15 has factors 3, 5, 1. Okay, so it is
Yeah.
not,
Ma'am,
yeah, Samarth.
I'm coming back right now, ma'am. What are we doing?
We are doing example number 4.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to write the answer in your copy.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, should I also have to write the question or I can write the answer only?
Answer only.
Okay, ma'am.
As far as I remember, Ahana, can you just tell me on which questions are, on which question are we in our last class?
Ma'am, we were in true and false in the C part.
Okay. True and false of C part. C part we have completed, you mean to say?
I mean, B part we have completed. We came on C.
Okay. So let's start. Please write in your classwork exercise 3.2. This is of NCRT. Now you can just write question number 2 and then write C part. Okay, so let's discuss the product of 3 odd number is odd. If I do the product of 3 odd numbers, so if I take 3 odd number as 1, 3 and 5, or if I say if I take 7, 3, 5, so what is their product? I am multiplying 3 odd numbers, so 21 into 5, so that comes 105.
Yeah, it is
Yeah, so is it odd or even?
odd.
Odd. So you will write true. Please write in your copy C is true. And how it is true, you can just write, because if I multiply 3 odd numbers, then it is odd.
Ma'am, if we add 3 odd numbers,
Ma'am, I
is
suddenly
it?
got a copy.
Ma'am, can you tell me A and B again, please? I didn't.
No problem, Manan. So sum of 3 odd numbers. If I add 3 odd numbers, like if I add 1 plus 3 plus 5, these are odd number. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9 is odd. So this statement is false. Sum of 3 odd numbers. So if we add 2 odd number, then it is even. But if I add 3 odd number, then it is odd.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
B part is sum of 2 odd numbers and 1 even number. So if I add 2 odd number, I am getting, अगर मैंने 2 odd number को add कर दिया, so I am getting an even number. And if I add to this even number an even number, so if I add to this even number, then it is even.
Yeah.
You can check, it is true.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am. We
Tanmay, I am
can.
hoping that you are completing your classwork with me itself. What do you
Yes,
say?
ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, so D part, every one of you try to read and try to
Ma'am,
solve.
can Samir tell?
Yes, Samarth, explain it, read it, and then
Yes,
say the
ma'am.
solution. Yes,
If
Samarth.
a even number is divided by 2, the question is always odd. Mom, this statement is false because if we divide 4 by 2, the quotient is even because the quotient is 2.
You are correct. So this statement is false. How Samarth told, if an even number is divided by 2, let's say 6 is even. If I divide it by 2, so what quotient I am getting? Oh, I am getting 3.
Mom, but
So
it is
it is
not
odd.
always true. Mom, it is
Yes.
not always true. Isliye we consider it false.
Very good. So if I take one even number as 6 and if I divide it by 2, I am getting odd. If I take another even number as 4, if I divide it by 2, I am getting even. So it is not always odd. It
Yes,
can
ma'am.
be odd or even. So it is false statement. So Ahana, are you getting why I have written false?
Yes. Ma'am, all.
Yes. So E part, who is ready for the E part?
Manan.
Yes, Manan.
Ma'am, all prime numbers are odd.
What do you say?
Yeah, it is true.
Mom,
It,
2 is not, 2 is an prime
Yeah.
number
Yeah.
and it is also even.
Yeah. Yeah, ma'am.
so it is a false statement because
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Two. I think it was saying that except two. So
yeah, understood. So all prime numbers are not odd. We have one prime number which is even also. So
that is
2
true.
2 is a prime number which is
Even.
even.
Ma'am, can I come just in a second?
Yeah. Okay, so please write it down. E part.
Mom, can I tell the answer for F? I have written the explanation also.
Yeah. Go ahead.
And we have to do the G part.
F part. Prime numbers do not have any factors.
Ma'am, Manan can tell.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah,
Ma'am, can I tell?
yeah.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, prime numbers do not have any factors. This is false because 2 has two factors, 2 and 1.
It is correct. So prime numbers do not have any factor. This is a false statement.
Ma'am, but two have. I don't know.
2 have 2 and 1, 3 have 3 and 1, 5 have 5 and 1.
No factors, but they have their own number and one there
Yeah,
has factor.
yeah. So they have factors. We cannot say they do not have any factors. Okay, so who other is ready with the G answer? I mean Ahana or Hirday or Tanmay. Who is ready?
Ma'am, what will be the answer?
Sum of two prime numbers is always even.
Ma'am, just telling Samayat is ready.
Okay. What about
Is
Tanmay?
also ready.
Tanmay, Ahana, Hirday.
Hello, ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Hello.
Yes, I
Ma'am,
can hear you. Who is saying this?
Ma'am, the G part is the sum of two prime numbers is always even. Ma'am, it's true.
You are saying it is true. Okay.
Ma'am, can Samay tell?
Yeah, Samarth.
Ma'am, it is false because 2 plus 5 is 7, 2 plus 7 is 9. And ma'am, odd plus even is always odd. And ma'am, there is only one even prime number. So there can't be even plus even.
ma'am, second one can Tanmay tell.
So
Ma'am,
Samarth, just
odd
hold
is,
on, Tanmay.
and ma'am, odd plus odd is even, but it is not always. So we will consider it as and false.
Very good. Excellent explanation. So sum of two prime number is always even. So let's say if I add 2 is a prime number and 5 is a prime number. So if I add it, I am getting odd number. Okay. So if I add 3 and 5 is again prime number. If I add them, I am getting even.
Ma'am,
So
but if we add 3 plus 3, so it becomes 6.
yeah. So what I am saying, it can be even, it can be odd. So we cannot say it is always even.
Yes, ma'am, I said that only.
Yeah. So that is why the statement is false.
Ma'am, Manan can tell me.
So Manan, wait, Tanmay, I have given Tanmay H part.
Ma'am, I already noted the answer.
Ma'am, H1.
Yes,
Ma'am, true.
it is
No,
true.
ma'am, false.
False. Badal jao फटाफट Tanmay. True, false. What should I tick finally? Is it true or is it false?
False, ma'am. 2 is
False.
only even prime number, false.
Okay. So और कौन से even prime number है Tanmay? Do tell me what are the others even prime number? Okay, Ahana, what do you say?
I say it's true.
It is a true statement, Tanmay. I told you when we are doing prime number and composite number that 2 is only even prime number. Others
Okay, ma'am.
all are odd. So we have only one even prime number, that is 2. So let's move to I, and Samarth and Manan, please lower your hand when you know all the answer I and J I consider otherwise. Okay, so let's come to I. All even numbers are composite.
Ma'am, Samayat has done all.
Okay. Okay, so I need the help from other students apart from Samarth, Manan, who others are ready. All even numbers are composite number. Okay, so what do you say, Samarth? Go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, all even numbers are composite numbers. Ma'am, it is false because 2 is prime number.
Excellent. All even numbers are composite number. This is a false statement because we have already done that 2 is even number. We know 2 is an even number and it is also a prime number. So this statement is false.
One of the even number is 2 and it's considered in prime, so that's why it is not a composite number.
Yeah, exactly. So last one, we are on the J part. The product of two even number is always even.
True, ma'am.
Tanmay is saying true. Okay, why Tanmay?
Ma'am, Manan can say
Ma'am,
please.
like 2 plus 2, 4.
2
And we
plus
can
Manan can say.
product.
Ma'am, like 6 plus 3 is 9.
Ma'am, can
9
it
is
say?
not
Ma'am, can
even
it
number.
say?
if you all speak together, how can I understand? See,
Can
Tanmay,
it say?
just hold on, Hirday. If Tanmay is saying something, let him complete. Let me give him full chance to complete. Yes, Tanmay, you complete first.
Ma'am, like we plus 2. So it comes 4. 4 is even number.
So you should not say Tanmay plus. It is product means when we multiply 2 into 2. So what we are getting 4. Or if we multiply 2 into 6, these are even number. If I multiply 2 into 6, I'm getting even. So it is always true. So it is a
Ma'am,
true.
ma'am, but if it was given sum, so if we do 6, uh, yeah, if it was sum also, then also I think it is uh, always even.
Yes, correct. If it is sum, yes.
Can submit till the answer for third, ma'am.
No, just hold on, Samad. So I
The next one is there.
hold on, Hirday. So we have completed question number 2. Now we can proceed to question number 3, and I am hoping that every one of you have written it in your copy. Can I erase?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I give question number 3 to read to Hirday and explain it properly then.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Ma'am, it's saying the numbers 13 and 31 are prime number. Both these numbers have same digit 1 and 3. Find such pairs of prime numbers up to 10, up to 100. Ma'am, can I tell it?
Hold on. So what are the statements which you are writing for question number 3? So how you have to do it in your copy? Let me tell you that. So
Ma'am, Manan
exercise,
can tell that.
hold on Manan, I have given the question to Hirday. So I'm giving that whole question to Hirday only. So exercise 3.2, you have to write question number 3. Don't write the question, just write Q3, question 3, and you can just write answer 3. So yes, here there. What should be the first line for this question?
Yes, ma'am. 1 second. Yes, ma'am. Uh, mm, the prime number is equal R is equals to.
Prime numbers are 13 and 31.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then
Ma'am, then we can do 51 and 55.
I can write prime numbers up to 100 having
Ma'am,
prime number
Ma'am, it
pairs.
can.
ma'am, can Manan tell the first, more appropriate first statement?
Just a minute. Prime number pairs up to 100 having same digits.
So, ma'am, in the first statement, we can write that prime
Prime
numbers having
numbers,
the same digits is equals to 13 and
yeah,
13.
having same digits. Prime numbers having same digits are 13 and 31. Prime number pairs up to 100 having same digits are, yes, Hirday,
Ma'am, it is 41 and 51.
41 and 51.
Ma'am, it's saying up to 100.
Yes, I'm telling up to 100.
Okay, tell.
Yes, ma'am, and it can be 91, 90, 91 and 81. And it can also be 101 and 201.
200 and
201.
you are wrong. Your answer is wrong. Okay. So
201 is 102.
no problem. No problem. I understand. Don't talk in between. So I understand that is
Ma'am,
wrong answer.
Can submit till
Manan, do you Samarth, hold on. Manan, do you have better reply for this? Do tell.
Ma'am, ma'am, his answer is correct, like 101.
No, that is incorrect. Hold on up now. Yes, Samarth. What do you say? Where he
Ma'am?
went wrong?
Ma'am, it is written that we have to write up to 100.
Yes.
We cannot write above 100. And
Yes.
ma'am, I think there is another mistake.
Yes.
Ma'am, like it is written that if we, ma'am, like 17 and 71, we have to use the 2 digit that we have used in the first number to create the second number.
Excellent. Excellent. Very good observation. So are you ready with whole answer, Samarth?
Ma'am,
Or are you finding it out right now?
ma'am, I'm finding it. Ma'am, I
Okay.
thought that we have to only find one. So I found 17 and 71.
Yeah. No. You have to write find such pairs. So see everyone what
How much?
Samarth pointed out. That is the 2 digits should be same. Both should be prime and both should be same. Like 13 and 31 are prime number and you can see the digits. They both have 1 and 3. Similarly, 17 and 71 are prime number and they both have 1 and 7. So have you understand Hirdev and Manan where you went wrong?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, so please write, find such pairs and come up with the answer if you are ready. Don't miss any pair. So be careful, it is a big question. So if Samarth and Manan has raised their hand, I am thinking that you know the answer. And if you are finding it out, then lower your hand. Yes, it is correct now.
Ma'am, how much page do we have to write?
Up to 100. You have to find each and every pair.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am able to find only 2 pairs.
Ma'am, I found one more.
Yeah, me too.
Who is saying who has found one more? Speak for that.
Ma'am, Samrit.
Yes, Samarth.
Ma'am, 91 and 19.
91 and
Ma'am, I
90.
wrote that.
Okay, so if you look at 11 cannot be like repeated. 12 is not a prime number. 13 is already there. 14 is not a prime number. 15 composite. 16 composite.